Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add multiple stories to one highlight on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps so you can organize your favorite moments and keep your profile looking sharp. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your highlights. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, take a look at your highlights, those circles right under your bio. Find the highlight you want to update, then long press on it. This will bring up a menu with a few different options. From here, tap on Edit Highlight. You'll see a couple of tabs at the top. Tap on the one labeled Stories. This is where you'll see all the stories you've ever posted that are eligible to be added to this highlight. Now for the fun part, selecting your stories. Scroll through the list and tap on each story you want to include. You can select as many as you like, so go ahead and pick the ones that best fit your highlight theme or tell the story you want to share. Once you've made your selections, simply tap Done at the top right corner. Instagram will automatically update your highlight with the new stories you've chosen. It's that easy, and that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can add multiple stories to one highlight, keeping your favorite memories organized and always accessible on your profile. Whether you're curating travel adventures, special events, or everyday moments, this quick update makes it easy to showcase more of what matters to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.